Okay, enough of me yapping. Let's start working on our first web page. Now, in order to do that, we will gonna need a project. Now, in order to create a project, we just need to create a new folder. And this is obviously a Mac thing or I'm sorry, any operating system thing. It's nothing to do with Visual Studio Code or the actual web development, but we would need to create a new folder. Now, I'm going to be creating my folder as you can see in a desktop, but obviously the same thing would work if you're going to go to your Finder and let's say we work in documents. I just find it much more straightforward if I'm going to be working with all my files and folders on a desktop. And like I said, I would like to create a new folder, and obviously I would need to come up with some kind of name. So let's say that I'm just going to call this HTML. Now you can call this however you would like. Bobby went to town or whatever. It doesn't really matter. So let me save this. And now I have to look at it how we can get the folder, so the working project, to the Visual Studio Code. So first of all, let me go back to the file. And as you can see, we have multiple options. So first of all, I can just click over here on open folder. And you know what? This settings is for now a little bit annoying. So let me just close this. And here I can click on it. And this is going to give me an options. So if I go to the desktop, I can just click it over here. And this will open up the folder in the actual Visual Studio Code. Now we also have an option of, as you notice, if I'm working with Visual Studio Code, then I'm going to have this file tab. Now within the file tab, notice again, we have either open recent or in general, we would have open. Now again, this would work the same way. We click on open and this is going to direct me to the folder already because I obviously was just here a second ago. Now, last but not least, there's a very nifty feature where we can just drag and drop it. So if I'm going to grab this project that I have right now or folder or directory, call this whatever you would like, and just drag and drop it here. And this is going to do the same thing where, as you can see right now, I have my folder available to me and I can start creating files and other folders maybe within this project folder and basically get up and running with my project.